Ah, Halloween, my favorite time of year. Full of spooks and scares and all the other stuff. Wonder what the others are up to. Well, we called out here again because the boss wants to do something. We all have to be here. Remember that, right? Oh, yes, I sometimes forget. But why does it have to be today? I was gonna relax. Well, sorry. There's nothing I can do. I guess you're right. Ah, Halloween night's the perfect night for a break. Which is what I would be saying if you actually had the egg. But no, you don't. So guess what? You're working. Oh, great. Thanks, guys.
Oh, don't blame us. It was your plan that failed.
So, if you can win tonight, I might give you a day off. Might. Understand?
We understand. Let's go.
Let's hope they don't fail like last lovely evening we have today. Couldn't wish for anything better.
And that's what happened my first Halloween.
Yeah, that's alright, I guess.
It wasn't that fun.
Huh? Oh, ah. I still can't believe it's making us work on Halloween night.
Yeah, well, I guess we'll just learn to get over it.
Why am I not surprised? Fellas, you know what I'll do by this point. Get set up. Alright. Area 2. Stage. What happened to the narrator guy? Well. If it isn't the Angry Birds, guys. How's your dead franchise doing?
They do not mock my franchise. It's doing better than yours.
Now, I'm not here to start arguments. I'm here to play a little game. Halloween boss battle, if you will. In the dark. well, I might as well set up. Oh, whoa, what the? What is going on? Seeing how this is a boss battle, you must all fight it together. And if you lose, you will most certainly get a trick.
What about if we win?
If you win, you will most certainly win a treat from my good assistant. You know the rules, let's get on with the jewels. Area 2, Halloween boss.
Right, let's do this.
Whoa! Ow.
Starting with the ultimate message for the revel.
How to put on this? Despite the fact that you blocked me now, you seem to know one of the little gimmicks of our game. One of them. Force fields for me.
Now that is just cheating. Let's show him how it's done.
It won't budge.
Right, pigs, you know what to do. Charge!
Nothing. You know, of all the times with the airship be finished, now would have been great. Wait a minute. No, I've got it. Bring in an airstrike.
This is aerial operator reporting on target is sighted. Preparing to fire. Bring Pokebomb 1. Target missed. Bring Pokebomb 2. Missed again. This is aerial operator returning back to Pokeball.
Right, my time. Wait a minute, he just left. Yeah, what do we do? Take the line when we can. Pigs, idiots. Quick, guys, take it all, take it. Go on, go. You chose wrong. You fools. You're all fools. Oh look, I'm over here now.
I bet you weren't expecting me.
Wait, what? You're a smart one, little pork. But it's gonna take more than that to defeat me. Come on, enemy that takes more than one hit in this show? That's weird. Well, looks like I'm over here now. Alright, let's try and get him. Yeah. Alright, we can hit him now. Now you guys know what to do, right? Attack!
Where's can somebody get the stupid box off of me? Oh, I did it myself. Okay, I know what to do.
Arrow pig, get rid of that box.
This is Aeropig. Confirming order. Getting rid of box.
What? Okay, now that's cheating. You can break the rules, I can break the rules. Arrow pig, airstrike.
Confirming airstrike order. Aiming cannons. Firing thermal blast in 3, 2, 1. Target missed.
Nothing can hurt me now. Oh, really? Okay. Look, I'm over here now.
What's to know what to do?
Oh, fine, that way.
Alright guys, I know what to do. What we need to do is we need to attack him as a team. You know what? I don't think you guys even listened to me. So whoever didn't, listen up. What we need to do is attack him as a team.
Right, so here's what we're gonna do. Shark and Porky, you're gonna rush him. You're gonna join Rush and Matilda.
Yes,
Wait for Porkchopper's word. When he sends the airstrike, you will join them.
I understand.
Right, everybody?
Oh, yep.
Good, let's go.
Alright, pigs. Charge.
Matilda, in the sky, now.
Okay.
Right arrow, Pork, full force.
Aeroport preparing full force.
And in for the final hit. Wait, what? Well, I guess fair is fair. You did beat me. So I guess you get the spoils. Here you go. Till we meet again. Until we meet again. Area 2, Stage 5 boss, complete. All winner. Right, so seeing how it's getting late, I don't really want to fight. Want to call it a truce? Yeah, we'll call it a truce. Right, guys? Yeah, right. Oh, I guess we're done. Yeah.
Okay, this is Aeropig. Porkchopper was kind of busy, so we're trying to record the message, so, good job guys, and, I don't know how to do this, so I'm just gonna go, bye-bye.